Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Jade Jadeite is probably one of the most captivating gemstones in the world, celebrated for its vibrant green hues and cultural significance. From ancient emperors to modern-day collectors, jadeite has always been treasured for its beauty and purported metaphysical properties. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Jade Jadeite, exploring its origins, characteristics, and what makes it a must-have for any gemstone enthusiast. Number 5. Jade Earring Studs, 925 sterling silver. These exquisite earrings are crafted with genuine green jade. The studs are made of 925 sterling silver, perfect for sensitive ears. Each earring showcases a beautiful piece of natural jade. The vibrant green color adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Made with high-quality 925 sterling silver, these earrings are durable and hypoallergenic. They are designed to be comfortable for all-day wear. The sterling silver posts are gentle on sensitive skin. You can wear them with confidence, knowing they are designed for comfort. These earrings are a perfect gift for both women and men. They are a timeless piece of jewelry that will be cherished for years to come. What we like? These earrings are crafted with hypoallergenic sterling silver, perfect for sensitive ears. The classic jade design adds a touch of elegance. If you are looking for a timeless and comfortable accessory, this is a great choice. What people say. The green jade has a lovely natural shine, and the 8mm size is perfect, not too big, not too small. They feel lightweight and comfortable to wear all day, yet still stand out enough to get compliments. These green jade stud earrings are simply beautiful. The jade is a rich, vibrant green with a smooth, polished finish that looks elegant and refined. Number 4. Dahlia Eternal Circle Jade Necklace. This exquisite necklace is crafted from real grade A certified Burma jadeite. It's designed to bring you a sense of tranquility and balance. Wear it and feel the difference. The elegant circle design symbolizes eternity and wholeness. The jadeite is carefully selected for its vibrant color and clarity. This piece is a timeless addition to any collection. The necklace features authentic Burma jadeite, renowned for its beauty and spiritual properties. The jadeite is certified, ensuring its quality and authenticity. It's a treasure to cherish. Jadeite is believed to promote inner peace and harmony. It's a beautiful way to connect with your inner self. Let it bring you a sense of calm throughout your day. This necklace is a testament to quality and craftsmanship. It is a perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. The piece will be a cherished keepsake for years to come. What we like? This necklace features real grade certified Burma jadeite. The jade is believed to promote inner peace and tranquility. If you value spiritual well-being and seek a beautiful, meaningful piece of jewelry, you should consider it. What people say. Red cord is soft, durable, and the proper length. The string is very sturdy and the size of jade is just right. The two pieces of jade are beautiful together. Number 3. Mosser Glass Jadeite 9 Cake Stand. This is the Mosser Glass Jadeite 9 Cake Stand. It's a beautiful way to display your cakes and other desserts. The stand is made in the USA. The stand is made of 9-inch green milk glass. It's perfect for showcasing your delicious creations. This stand will add a touch of elegance to any event. This cake stand is proudly made in the USA. You can be sure of its quality and durability. It's a great addition to your kitchen or for special occasions. Use it to display your cakes, cupcakes, or any other dessert items. It's a perfect way to present your treats in style. The stand will make your desserts look even more appealing. This stand can be stacked with the other 4 sizes. It's a versatile piece that can be used in many ways. It's a great way to save space and create a tiered display. What we like? This cake stand is a beautiful way to display your cakes and desserts. It's made in the USA. If you enjoy baking and want to showcase your creations with style, this stand is perfect for you. What people say. Great quality, beautiful. The green color is beautiful. I shopped for cake plates of a similar color elsewhere, but none came close to the quality of this plate. Looks great with cupcakes. This is the perfect stand for a 6-inch cake. Love it. Number 2. Tablecraft Jadeite Glass Collection Kit. Introducing the Tablecraft Jadeite Glass Collection Kit. This kit brings a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen. It includes everything you need for a classic look. This collection features a timeless jadeite glass design. It's a nod to the past, bringing a vintage feel to your home. The pieces are both stylish and functional. The kit includes a sugar shaker, butter dish, syrup dispenser, and salt and pepper shakers. These are some of the most popular items in the collection. They're perfect for everyday use. These pieces look great on your table and in your kitchen. They add a touch of elegance to any setting. You'll love how they look. To keep your jadeite glass collection kit looking its best, hand washing is recommended. This will help preserve the beauty of the glass. Enjoy your new collection. What we like. This kit offers a nostalgic jadeite aesthetic. It includes functional pieces like a sugar shaker and butter dish. If you like vintage-inspired kitchenware and want to add a touch of retro charm to your table, you'll love this. What people say. The jade is a beautiful color and has a nice weight to it. The carving is very detailed and the piece is well made. The jade has a good luster and is smooth to the touch. Number 1. Moser USA Jade Jadeite Green Glass Hobnail Gigi Goblet. This beautiful goblet features a classic hobnail design. It's made in the USA and is perfect for any occasion. Crafted by Moser Glass, this goblet is a testament to quality. The glass is a stunning jade green color, adding elegance to your table. The Gigi pattern is inspired by the English hobnail pattern. This design adds a touch of vintage charm to the piece. Standing at 5'3" 4" tall, it holds 10 ounces. It's the ideal size for serving your favorite beverages. This goblet is a beautiful addition to any glassware collection. It will surely impress your guests. What we like. This goblet features the classic hobnail Gigi pattern. It's made in the USA and holds 10 ounces. If you like vintage glassware and enjoy a touch of elegance, it will be a perfect choice. What people say. The jade is a beautiful color and has a nice weight to it. The carving is very detailed and the piece is well made. The jade has a good luster and is smooth to the touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.